This next exercise is basically baby steps to insertion sort. So I made a whole bunch of mistakes here, definitely out of practice. The first thing I had to do is figure out a way to print the output in the expected format. And apologies, the code I stole didn't work well with the HackerRank parser. The first big mistake I made was I didn't stop the for loop after the insertion, so it kept copying things over. The next big mistake I made was not accounting for insertions at index 0. So before I was making insertions based on whether the comparison happened, but I didn't have a way to catch whether there were no more comparisons to be done, and it was the smallest number in the array. Quick side note, the biggest thing I need to change for next time is to just map out my strategy for attacking the problem and have an idea of what I want to do rather than jumping into code and not thinking about edge cases. Finally, you notice that the code that worked at the end was a little bit too complex. I had an additional if statement at the end to check whether I should insert the number at index 0 or index 1. This was totally unnecessary. I already did the comparison in the for loop. The cleaner code would have been to just assign the number that needs to be inserted at position 0.